Go.
So again, good morning. I will be reporting about the forms of literature. But before that, let me first give another definition of literature. We will also talk about why reading literature has become enjoyable. So literature is defined as writings that have excess of form or expression, which express ideas of a permanent or universal interest. It is a piece of any written works that appeals to the emotion of the readers. It is also considered as an art because it makes use of highly connotative language or metaphorical language. In other words, authors use figurative speech in writing them. However, literature is not written to give the reader facts. It is not a report, but an opportunity for social practice. It is the reason why reading literature gives us pleasure. It enables us to examine thought and action compassionately, and its ultimate goal is to make us more understand ourselves and others. And it has forms. It can be either a prose or a poetry, and we have already heard about poetry a while ago. So let us discuss about prose. Prose is a spoken or written language without metrical regularity. Ibig sabihin, we don't mind about the rhythm, the rhyme, that. And it is in a sentence form. It is either a fiction or non-fiction. When we say fiction, it is just a product of the writer's imagination. Whereas when we say non-fiction, it is entirely based on truth, on real life. So I will discuss two types of prose, which are both fictional, the novel and the short story. When we say novel, it is an extended fictional prose narrative, often including the psychological development of the central characters and their relationship with the broader world. Examples of novels are Nicholas Sparks' Message in a Battle, The Notebook, and About to Remember. Are you familiar with those stories?
Yes.
Isn't it that the central characters of those novels experience psychological progress and the mixed relationship with the broader world? We anticipate what will happen to the characters at the end of the story, right? And that gives us pleasure. That makes reading enjoyable. We tend to guess the next happenings and get too excited about the whole thing. Then another type of prose is short story. It is an artistic form of prose which is centered on a single main incident whose aim is to produce a single dominant impression. And it is obviously much shorter than a novel. It has only one plot, unlike the novel which has several, or what we call
Chapters.
episodic plot. There are also types of short stories. We have animal tales, which includes talking animals, wonder tales, also known as fairy tales, doodlehead tales or humorous tales, realistic stories, religious tales, and romances, and a lot more. Most of us enjoy these kinds of stories, right? Especially when we were young. Because we are letting ourselves be drowned in the world of make-believe and escape from the reality of life. So that's it. That ends.